Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wordpress website. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new post in your Wordpress website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new post into your WordPress website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep your blog up to date with fresh and new posts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WordPress dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a WordPress dashboard for a website that I manage. And in order to add a new post, there's a few different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is here on the left menu. You want to click on posts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different posts you have in your Word website. And all you want to do is go ahead and click right here on the left menu, add new post, or you can click here, add new post on the top. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you into the editor. So you can go ahead and name your post. So this is a new Word post. Okay, here you can go ahead and start adding in blocks if you have the editor. If you need access to the editor, check my video description. I'll try to leave more information for that. And let's see, let's go ahead and add in a paragraph. Okay, this is a new paragraph for my press post. Okay, so once you've designed the post how you want it to look, you're going to click up here on the top right, publish. Okay, now it's publishing. Okay, so now we get a pop-up saying this has been published. Now, let me go back to my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so here I am back in the WordPress dashboard. You can see all posts, and here is the new post that we just created. This is a new WordPress post. Now, if you don't want to create a post from scratch every single time, just because a lot of times when you're doing online marketing, many pages are similar, but they're going to have different data, maybe for a different product. What you can do is you can actually just copy a previous post. So for example, if we're talking about orange juice, like this post right here, we can just hover over it and then click on duplicate this if you've added the correct plugin. So that way, if I duplicate this post and it's 9 amazing health benefits of orange juice, we can go in there and change that up to apple juice, for example. So in order to have that function, what you're going to do is here, click on plugins and then add new plugin. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and search duplicate. Okay, duplicate and go. Okay, so there's a lot of these different types of plugins that you can use. The one I use is this one right here, duplicate page. You can see there's 3 million active installations and 5 stars with 397 reviews, but you can see there's quite a few other ones that are available. So once you've activated and installed that plugin, you should have that feature right here, post, and then just hover over it and then you can duplicate instead of creating a new post from scratch in your WordPress website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new post in your WordPress website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.